In this guide, I'll show you step by step how to find archived emails in your Gmail account and move them back to your inbox if needed. First, go to Gmail and make sure you are logged into your account. If you want to archive emails, select the emails you want to move. Then click on the archive icon to remove them from your inbox without deleting them. To find archived emails, go to the left sidebar and click on More or the plus option. After that, click on All Mail. This section contains all your emails, including archived ones. Now, locate the archived emails you want. They won't have the inbox label. If you want to move them back, select the emails and click on Move to Inbox. Another way to find archived emails is by using the search filter. Click on the filter icon in the search bar. In the filter options, you can set a time range, like within 1 year, to narrow down your search. Then, in the Doesn't Have field, type Label, Inbox. Click on Search, and Gmail will show you emails that are not in your inbox, including archived emails. From there, you can select the emails and move them back to your inbox easily. And that's it. Now you know how to find and manage archived emails in Gmail efficiently.